35 Street, Brazil. Well, this year's gonna be called Calle Ocho. Que hola gata, que hola omega. And this how we gonna do it. Dale! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Zumba, ella quiere su rumba. Zumba, ella quiere su rumba. Si ves que tú eres guapa, yo te voy a poner a gozar. Tú tienes la boca grande, dale, ponte a jugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nagsimula sa history-making ang reality-based artista search ang love story nila. Jenlyn and Mark, Rainier and Yasmin, Riza and Mike Tan. Pero on camera ay ibang puso ang idinikit sa kanila. Ngayon, hindi na nila mapipigilan ang kanilang damdamin. Starstruck's real-life lovers. Tutukan ang real-life former lovers sa Dear Friend. And now, live on SOP, ang first showbiz boyfriend ni Riza Sinon, Mark Heras, at ang secret lovers ng Starstruck, Rainier Castillo and Sheena Halili.
To the top, on my way to the top.